Welcome to our factory. I'll show you how recycled wastewater becomes drinking water, step by step. Subscribe for more.
Every city produces waste. But in the modern world, waste is no longer the end of the story.
Once used, water doesn't vanish. It begins a second journey.
For centuries, civilizations reused water unknowingly. Survival demanded it.
What was once taboo became inevitable.
Science proved one thing clearly. Purity isn't about origin, it's about process.
As fresh water disappeared, recycled water became essential.
Below the city, the real work begins.
This is where wastewater becomes drinking water.
Every step is monitored. Every risk accounted for.
To understand how this works, we start at the beginning. Modern cities are built on invisible infrastructure.
Gravity moves most wastewater for free.
Humans decide when machines intervene.
When gravity fails, force takes over. Failure is never an option.
This is the point of no return. Now treatment begins. The first step removes what shouldn't be here.
Machines catch what humans miss.
Automation still needs people.
Weight decides what sinks.
Even dust is engineered out. Nothing is ignored. But danger remains. Now biology takes control.
Microbes need oxygen.
Life consumes contamination.
Nature engineered at scale.
Balance is everything.
Waste becomes mass.
Stillness reveals purity.
Levels are optimal on the east side.
Good, the flow rate is steady.
What settles is removed. After biological treatment, the water is given time to slow down and settle.
Even with sensors, human eyes verify every stage.
The separated waste is safely removed for further processing.
The water now looks clean, but appearance alone isn't enough.
Next, Purification moves beyond what the eye can see.
This stage operates at a scale smaller than bacteria.
Pressure must be carefully controlled to protect the system. Anything that fails to meet standards is immediately separated.
Routine maintenance ensures consistent, reliable performance.
The result is water that appears almost perfectly pure. But one final barrier still remains.
Reverse osmosis uses extreme pressure to force separation.
Only individual water molecules are small enough to pass.
Constant monitoring prevents damage or system failure. Everything unwanted is permanently removed. Essential minerals are carefully restored for balance.
In blind tests, it's indistinguishable from natural sources.
Purification is nearly complete.
Ultraviolet light neutralizes any remaining microorganisms. At the molecular level, reproduction becomes impossible.
Ozone adds protection without leaving chemical residue.
Every batch is tested before approval.
Multiple safeguards ensure absolute safety. The water now exceeds most natural sources in purity.
It is officially safe to drink.
The water begins its journey back into the city.
Pressure is carefully balanced across the network.
From here, the process becomes invisible.
At the tap, nothing feels different.
Maintenance teams work constantly behind the scenes. Millions depend on this system every day.
You trust it without ever seeing it.
As populations grow, demand for water continues to rise.
Smarter systems now assist human decision-making.
New materials promised is greater efficiency.
This technology is spreading across the globe.
Yet skilled people remain essential.
What was once waste now sustains life.
Would you drink it? The future of water is already here.